Hi guys! Guess where are we? In Pasug. In Pasugong. Right? Ito na. Today ng Barbara. Hi! With my brother. We're gonna go to somewhere in the road. Kahit may barbed wire, I don't care. Ay, wala. Oh, okay na dire. Wala, mahulog ko. Wala, ako dire. Dire, tara, Jo. I will show you the world. Shining, shimmering, splendid. Hello? Dito. And this is my brother. Taga Bit 101. Of course. Prenup na?
Oo.
Ay, sila to dito.
Ano eh, room niya dari.
Okay, kung mag-video na rin. Dahil layo na nindot.
Layo video dito pa sa bali ako so lakad kami ng bababa. Sabay kami.
Kanang ano daw? Ay, signal sa ako. Oh! Wala pa din mo gi. Hey, I'll give you the perks of having a younger brother. Look at him. Look at him. He's bringing my bag. He's too convenient. That's how it is. Convenience. You should use him. Look. Kailangan mag-gym ka tapos di magamit ibuhang mga biceps sira, ah. 'Di ba? It's like display. For what reason? You want me to carry a thing? No. Taro nga akong bag, be. Ito ba na siya? Uy, mura man na siya sako bag. That's how you do it. That's how you train a man. Hate them. Well, except for him. Hi. First stop. Nabulak yan po dyan pinapicture. Can't you just video yourself? Why it's flowers. Ato sa diri sa dahilayan para magpicture sa mga bulak. Amazing. So, naka sa dahilayan para mag picture og bulak. Ayo, we're here sa dahilayan. And I'm with my brother na naga-gym. Kaya, taruwag dala akong bag. So, that's how you train a man. You should be strict because they will get complacent and they will abuse you. No. We are here sa dahilayan. After 2 years.
Taiwan.
Welcome to Taiwan. Hello. Why would you bring your brother? For convenience. Sakit daw.